warning for Berrien County in southwest Michigan until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shorewood Tower Hill and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bridgman around 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Stevensville around 1:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fairplain and Benton Heights around 1:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Glendora, Baroda, Sodus, and Spinks Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Berrien, Michigan.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend and KZZ36 in North Webster. Visit our website viaweather.gov/IWX.